Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. This is the TELESIN magnetic chest mount with with neck strap. Guys, this if you've got a GoPro or something like that, uh, it actually provides a way that you can stick it to this device right here. It comes with three magnetic, well, actually two magnetic pieces here. I mean, guys, when this thing gets on there, it gets on there. Okay. This one has the screw that goes with it. And I tell you what, guys, when it's on there, it's on there. This device here has a 3M tape on the back of here that you can stick on one of your devices. And guys, I tell you what, you just put this around your neck. You can put it inside your shirt. Put it inside your shirt, okay? And then on the outside of the shirt, okay, guys, I'm not going to mess around with this thing trying to get it apart. But anyway, if you got a GoPro or Insta360 or any type of video device that you want to wear around your neck, this is a tool for you. Guys, this is the TELESIN magnetic chest mount with neck strap. You guys make it a great day.